For almost 100 years, Milbank has been at the center of American power distribution. Our founder, Charlie Milbank, established the company in 1927 in Kansas City, Missouri. Since then, we've stayed true to our mission, creating the enclosures, metering, and power distribution solutions that keep energy moving safely and reliably. Milbank is a national brand, trusted by utilities, contractors, and distributors across the country. We're proud to be manufactured in America. From our headquarters in Kansas City to our plants in Concordia, Missouri, and El Dorado, Arkansas, we're part of the communities where we live and work. 4 generations of Milbank ownership continue to guide the company today, working alongside the families of employees who have also built their lives and careers here. Milbank Metering Solutions have been the backbone of our business for nearly a century. While we continue to strengthen these foundational products, we're also innovating to meet today's energy demands. Our power distribution and controls line offers smarter, safer ways to manage power across residential, commercial, and industrial applications with rugged, utility-approved designs built to perform. And with PowerVance, our high amperage power distribution and controls products, we're driving the future of EV infrastructure and large-scale electrification, delivering compact, utility-grade solutions that simplify installation and accelerate deployment. As we look ahead, we're not just reflecting on nearly a century of success, we're preparing for the next 100 years. Milbank is committed to powering the future, innovating alongside our partners, and building solutions that keep America moving. Milbank, family built, American made, energy at work.